Hi there! Welcome back to Project Open Source Ecology Mobile. Today, we are here to discuss the design comps that I have created for OSE Mobile. So let's jump right in. Here, we have the homepage. As you can see in the header, I used a blue gradient for the main color of the header. Inside the top header, you will see the OSE graphical logo along with a sign-in button and the Navicon menu button. Below, you will see a footer and 3 buttons: Sign Up, Contact, and Donate. The first will lead you to a sign-up page, the second will open up a slide window that will show a contact form, and the third will open a slide window with the donation options. In the middle of the homepage, you will see that I have incorporated a video. Nothing conveys a message better than a video explaining OSE's philosophies. Below, that will be a small explanation of OSE and the video. On this next page is a view of what OSE Mobile will look like in landscape mode on mobile devices. You will notice the small description is gone and the video is open to full screen. I have also included views of what it will look like on a user's tablet in portrait mode, and landscape as well. Now, on this page, I am showing an example of what a Navicon menu will look like. Once clicked, it will bring up the other pages: Products, Blog, About, Sign Up, and Donate. So let's take a look at this page once again, and let's say the user clicks Products. Here, you can see that once clicked, the navigation menu slides to the left, and you now get a list of new options. You will see that Products is in the title of this section with a back button placed in case the user decides to go back. Below that is a list of products they have available: machines, parts, and tools. Let's say the user picks machines. This again will slide the navigation over and you will see a new list. This list is now a list of all the machines they have available to build within the GVC S50 lineup. Again, let's say the user clicks bulldozer. This will lead to the final product page. Here you will get a title header with the name of the item, along with an image and description below. And below that are 2 options, one for videos of this item, along with the most important factor in this equation, the Assembly PDF button. This button will give you instructional PDF access to all signed up users. This will enable the users to open up OSE Mobile wherever they are and get the instructions they need to build right in their hands instantly. Now, let's head back to the main page and open up the menu again. The user has chosen blogs. When chosen, the navigation menu slides over and gives you a new list of options. This is a list of all blogs available through OSE. The user will pick one and be instantly sent to the blog. In this specific blog, there was a video posted along with some information. You will notice there is a title header for this video, and in that title header you will also see a button, Submit Idea. This is a new tool which the user will be able to contact OSE with a chance to possibly get some of their own ideas posted on the blogs. There is also an option below the blog for comments on what is posted. This gives users a chance to jump in and talk about the posted blog and ask questions. Here's an example of what will happen when the comment button is hit. You will see it asks for a name and email along with your question. I might, however, incorporate it to just automatically show the username of the user signed in and the date it was posted. Then all the user has to do is enter his or her comment and post. Here's the About page. On here, you will see that there is a little title header of About OSE. You can also see a button that links to OSE Developer Wiki page. The content on this page is quite fun, as you can see. We have the pictures of the core team of OSE and what OSE is about below. What I have done is make these images clickable. When clicked, the image will open up as an overlay over the page, and you will see the member's name and what they are to OSE, along with their direct email link. Click outside, and it will close it and return back to the images. Here is a good example of a sign-up page. Here it will ask for the user's name, chosen username, email, age, location, and how they learned about OSE. The OSE newsletter will also be auto-checked, unless the user states otherwise. Then, you hit sign up. Here's an example of the slide window popping up with the donate option. This is when donate is clicked on the bottom footer or Navicon menu. It will give information on what they can donate or subscribe to with certain amounts. They will pick one with a drop-down menu and hit subscribe. Below that, you will also notice the map. The map will show how far the user is from the Factor e-farm, where OSE began and is still currently creating new designs. This will enable them to see if they are in the capacity of being able to visit. In the future, I will make this clickable and give driving directions. Here's an example of the sign in button being used. It asks for username and password, along with Remember Me check. Once signed in, the user will be able to comment on blogs and access the product's instructions, PDFs, and videos. Here's the style guide for OSE Mobile. The two different sizes of headers used, both will have the blue gradient. The typography I will be using is Arial Black and Georgia. If you look to the right of that, you will see that I have also changed the branding of the text OSE Mobile. I have added some of the product's GVCS 50 shadow images in between, and I feel it gives it more of a dynamic look. To the right of that is the actual graphical logo used in the header. The palette I am using is similar to that of the desktop site, and it gives a really clean and fresh look. With all of that said, I hope you enjoyed my design comps and style guide for open source ecology mobile. I look forward to hearing back from you and continue on this great adventure of creating OSE Mobile. Thank you, and talk to you again soon!